Hello art friends, Dr. Beck here. Welcome to Art Ways, where learning is fun. Today we're going to be doing a project where we're drawing a sunflower based on this photograph that I took. I'm going to be teaching you a really cool technique using crayon resist and watercolor. Okay, let's get started. What we're going to need for this project is a piece of white paper, pencil, eraser, black crayon, watercolors, and some brushes. I sketched it out lightly. That's something I like to do ahead of time so that the video could move nice and smoothly. You could sketch out yours. If you make a mistake, just erase it. Draw it in pencil first. I always say that. Now we're going to start off by putting in a big oval. That's going to be the center of our large sunflower. I'm going to add the petals next. And I like the petals not to be too pointy. They have a little bit of life to them, a little sway, nice shape. And then I also want them to overlap a little. So I'm going to start this one here. It's going to be behind that a little, so it'll disappear and pick it up there. Okay, here's another one, which will stop there because it's behind that petal. That's going to go here. This petal's going to be by itself, but then this one's going to be behind them. So see, I stop it. This one by itself. Here's another one by itself. But then this one's going to come in from behind a little, like that. Good. Go right to the circle. Now this one we're going to come down. We're going to stop. We're going to pick it up down there. Stop. And there. That's hiding behind that petal right there. That's going to stop right there. Pick it up here. That's going to also be right there. Let's see. It's a nice big petal here. And let's sneak one more right in here. Don't forget the stem. Nice heavy stem. Sturdy. We need a sturdy stem on these. I'm also going to add a little crease in the middle of each of the petals coming from the center. Just coming in a little. It will give it a nice little feeling of fullness. Okay, the next I'm going to draw all the little sunflower seeds in the center. Look what I have, sunflower seeds. There they are. I'm going to draw them in. Here we go. Yay, sunflower seeds. Okay, we're going to start applying the yellow paint onto all the petals. And what I like to do with watercolor is paint within the nice waxy black area. The crayon will help keep that paint in that area because of that nice wax in there. And then what I like to do while it's a little damp, go in with a little bit, I could use it orange, light orange, there. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at how beautiful. And I'm going to do a few at a time. So I'm going to do a few yellows. In order to do the yellow, orange on yellow, it has to be wet to make it nice and blendy like that. So I'm going to paint no more than 2 at a time. So I'll do 1. I'll do 2. Ooh, it's a nice big one. 2. And now I'm going to blend in with the orange. Oh, hi, Mr. Alvey. Pretty cool, eh? Okay, yellow. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of these right here. Watch this. These three are all, and because of that nice black crayon, watch this. I could go right over that. Boom, right in. And again, I'm gonna make sure that it's still wet. Come in with my yellow orange. Get a little bit of yellow orange like this. Okay, oh nice. Let's do a few more yellows. A little yellow orange in here. Here's 3 in a row. They're all friends next to each other. A little bit of yellow orange. Get a whole bunch right in here. Look at this. Boom, right in there. Notice how I let the dark paint get lighter towards the end. Keep it darker towards the middle in there. And our last two. Now I'm going to get the stem next in a nice green. I like to have a paper towel nearby so that in case I need to get some excess water off my brush. And then I'm going to go in with a little dark green near the edge a little, so we have a nice two-tone color in there. A little shade. And now I'm going to start my flowers. The inside of my flower. And the inside of this flower, I want to make this fun and colorful. I don't want to make it too traditional, so I think I'm going to go into a little bit of this red violet. See the way the crayon resist is pulling up the paint on the edges? Oh, nice. This looks beautiful. And now I want to switch it up a little. I'm going to go into a little turquoise. Ooh. Oh, look at that. A little more turquoise. Pretty cool, eh? Isn't that nice? What color you want next? A little green? Okay, we'll do a little light green. Mr. Albie likes light green. I'm going to put light green next to the turquoise a little. Okay, I think we need a bright color in there next. Maybe something in the little red family. Let's see that red. Okay. look at this. Here we go. And I'm just going to put one more. I don't want to go, I want a color, but I don't want a zillion colors. So I'm going to go with that yellow orange we used in the flower. I'm going to put that in wherever I see some. Oh, there we go. Nice. It kind of helps tie in the color together as well. It pulls in that outside color a little, yet it's standing out in color. Beautiful. Nice. Right to the edge. You're going to go right to the edge of that crayon. Okay, art friends, we're done. Okay, I'm going to paint the background next in blue. Take notice, watch what I do. I'm going to be putting a little bit watered down first in the background, section at a time, and I'm going to keep it flowing from section to section. And I don't want to stop with the blue or else I'm going to get a ridge. It's watercolor. And you don't have to make the blue background solid. It is watercolor. We're not using tempera paint, and we want the effect of that nice light dark feeling. Okay, so I finished up the blue background. I hope everyone had fun painting the sunflower today. And don't forget, be smart, include art. See you next time.